We continue talking about the arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic progression is a popular name for it. Sometimes just referred to as AP. Our question here says the 25th term of an AP. I just write AP, meaning arithmetic progression. The 25th term of an AP is 15, and the 60th term is 32.5. Find the first term, the common difference, the nth term, the 100th term, and the 500th term. I'd like for you to pause the video and tackle this one for me. So go ahead. Alright, good. So you've paused the video and you've tackled this one. So let's talk about it. Now, you know that the nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, where a is the first term, n is the position of that term. The first term, n is 1, the second term, n is 2, the third term, n is 3, and so on and so forth. And d is the common difference, the number that you add to get the next term, alright? So, A25, the 25th term, it would be A, right, plus 25 minus 1 times D, whatever it's going to be. And that is equal to 15. Alright? Then A60, the 60th term, is A plus 60 minus 1 D equals 32.5, let's say. Alright. Now, let's simplify this. This is, the first one is A plus 25 minus 1 is 24. So it's called 24D equals 15. And the second one is A plus, this would be 59D equals 32.5. Alright. Now, as you can see here, we have a pair of simultaneous equations. We could use substitution. Substitution would be a convenient method to solve it. You could also use elimination. Alright, whichever method you prefer. But let's use, what would we use now? Let's use elimination. Let's call this equation 1, equation 2. We're going to have equation 2 has the larger numbers, and equation 1 the smaller numbers. So I'm going to rewrite them under here. A plus 59D. Why did I write my 9 like that? 59D equals 32.5, and A plus 24D equals 15. So we have equation 2 first and equation 1 after when we rearrange. Let us do this, equation 2 minus equation 1. So remember now you're going to subtract corresponding like terms. So A minus A, that's 0. You eliminated A. And you say 59D minus 24D. That would give you 35D equals, and you say 32.5 minus 15 would give you 17.5. When you transpose For D, divide both sides by 35. 17.5 divided by 35 is equal to, what do you get? 0.5. Alright? So, this is the common difference. Now, you know that is 0.5. Let's substitute it in one of these equations. Let's say equation 1 to find A. So we have A plus 24 times D, which is 0.5, equals 15. So A plus 24 by 0.5 was 12. 12 equals 15. So A would be 15 minus 12. A is equal to 3. So we have our A and our D here. Alright? Now, you're asked for the first term is A, and you got A, the first term, 3. Good. What else do you want? The common difference, which you got here, is 0.5. Good. So we have the first term, the 0.5, and we have the common difference, which is 3. Then the nth term. We want the nth term. Now remember, the general form of the nth term, an, is a plus n minus 1 d, which in this case, in our case here, it is 3 plus n minus 1 times 0.5, which is half. So that is the nth term. You're asked for the 100th term. A100 is equal to 3 plus 100 minus 1 times a half, which is 3 plus 99 times a half. So we have 99 times a half, which is 49.5 plus 3, and that gives us 52.5. The 100th term is 52.5. Then you're asked for the 500th term. What is the term in the 500th position? Let us see. A500 would be 3 plus 500 minus 1 times a half, which is 3 plus 499 times a half. So we get 499 times a half. You get 249.5. So this becomes 3 plus 249.5. So A500 equals. So you add 3 to 249.5, you get 352, not 352, 252.5. Alright, so here you have it. So we have the first term, A is 3, the common difference, D, is 0.5. The nth term is 3 plus n minus 1 times half. The 100th term is 52.5, and the 500th term is 252.5. Alright, so that will be it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.